guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are doing a countdown to release day for our new box of the month for July. So we are on 3 more days until release day. For our first peek, we made this card here, and I'll have it linked in the description box if you want to go back to the video and see how we made that. We used these 2 products. We have a stencil and we have the stamp set, Rise and Shine. So those were fun to use. You'll see those in your July box. And then we had a peek using these 2 products here, the beautiful paper Summer Coffee and its coordinating ephemera, and we created 3 cards. So I'll have those linked down below as well. So those were really fun to make. And today we are revealing our second stamp set that will be in your box. This one's called Java Nice Day, and we are going to create probably 2 cards with this today. So we have 3 cold coffee drinks, and you could color them up to be other types of drinks if you wanted, a lemonade or a tea or whatever you want. And then we have some sentiments here. I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best. We have Rise and Grind, No Talkie Before Coffee, Iced Coffee Obsessed, and Java Nice Day. You're getting a little peek of tomorrow's peek. We are going to reveal in tomorrow's video the other paper pad and ephemera pack. So I just took a little piece from that to create this card because this little pattern with all the coffee drinks is perfect for the stamp set here. So I'm envisioning this at the bottom. I'm going to take some of this pink twine and wrap it around my panel, do a bow. I think I want to do the Iced Coffee Obsessed sentiment and then these 3 little drinks at the top. So let's start by gluing this down. So if you're new here and you didn't see the other 2 peeks, I'll have them listed in the description box so you can head on over there and see what we revealed so far for our box of the month for July. You'll find all our subscriptions under the subscription page. If you want to join the club, there'll be a drop-down menu and you'll choose monthly for your frequency, and then you'll get a new box every 30 days from the date you purchased. Okay, so I'm not gonna put the twine on yet because I want to do some stamping. I think I'm ready to add my sentiment. Or do I want to do the sentiment up here and then the 3 little drinks down here? I could cut them out, pop them up over my twine. I think I might do that. So I'm going to stamp those on a separate piece of paper. We'll color those up and then I'll cut them out. So I'm going to make sure my sentiment is straight. And I'm going to use VersaFine Claire and Nocturne. Okay, so I just tied the little bow around there and we are going to color up our images now. Okay, let's stamp out these cute cups. So I think I'm going to color this one pink with white whipped cream. I'm going to do this one in a coffee color, and this one I'm going to do a green matcha tea. For my green, I'm going to do G24, G21, and YG11. I'm just going to start at the bottom with the darkest color. And then I will gradually get lighter as we go to the top. Making sure the 2 blend. And then the YG11. And what I'm going to do for the ice is I am going to color over with a very light green. So this G20 is called Wax White, but it's got a little tint of green in it. And I'm just going to paint over the ice cubes with that. And I want to make the straws green, so I'm going to use a little bit different shade of green. So I'm going to use, let's see, I have these really light greens. Maybe YG07 and YG01. The lid is going to be the same color as the other one, BG10. So I'm just going to do the edges. I might as well do this one while I have the color out. I'm going to use E35 and E34. I'm going to look for a lighter shade. I have an E31 for the top. I'm going to use E41 for the ice cubes. For my pink combination, I'm going to use R85, R83, and R81. I'm going to do the same technique, just coloring with my darkest at the bottom. And for the heart, I'm just going to do a very pale pink, RV00. I'm going to use C1 to color the whipped cream on top. I'm just going to do a little bit of shading around the edges. And I forgot to do the straw. So I created a yellow card base. I thought this color would be really pretty to set off the yellow in this pattern here. Okay, we're going to arrange our images. So I want this green one in the middle and these two on the side. Now, do I want them spread apart or do I want them kind of like clustered? I kind of like them spread apart because then the two straws are kind of away from the sentiment. So I'm going to add the two sides first. So I hope you guys are having a great summer so far. Anybody do anything fun? Like a vacation or something like that? I really want to go on a vacation, but I've just been so busy lately. What is your favorite iced drink? Leave that down in the comments down below. Your favorite iced coffee, or it could be your favorite iced drink. I will reveal the shaker mix that you get in your box. I'll reveal that on the last day. So in the meantime, I've been using the Sparkle All the Way confetti by This Calls for Confetti. So I always like to add a little sparkle to the card, whether it's a sequence, a gem, glitter. And what's really going to look cute on this card, I think, is some glossy accents. I would love to make those ice cubes shiny and maybe that heart in the middle shiny. So let's do that. Okay, now there's a little stamp that comes in the stamp pack, a little heart. And I think that's just gonna really set it off. I should have stamped that before I put on the glossy accents. There and there. Above these two straws, I think I'm gonna do that. And I think a pink color would look very cute because we have the pink in the paper and on the cup. And the only pink I have that would match is this Distress Oxide. I'm gonna practice a few times. Okay, two cute little hearts. So that finishes the first card. Let's go ahead and make another one. Isn't that shine pretty? Don't you just love yellow and pink together? It looks so fresh. So I took another piece of paper from the next paper pad that I'm going to share with you guys tomorrow. Can't wait to share it with you guys. It is so cute. So I'll show you the ephemera and the paper pad. But we're going to put this down, and then we're going to put this white sheet over that. And then I'm going to use the stencil. And then we're going to use one of the stamp sets, or we're going to use one of the sentiments. And I want to use one of these two. And I think I want to use this big one. I don't rise and shine. I caffeinate and hope for the best. Okay, so let's add some glue. Oh, you're getting another sneak peek of one of the sheets in the paper pad. So I'm going to do my sun rays first in this pineapple color from My Favorite Things. And then we could stamp right over our stenciling. So hopefully my brushes aren't that dirty and I get a nice yellow look. And what I'm going to do is flip it over and do the other side. Okay, so I decided I just want to do the top, like it's a sun ray. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this right in the middle. Let's get our Misty out. Since this is a new stamp, I want to rub it off with my stamp chamois to get all the manufacturer's oils off of it. That way we get a better stamp the first time. Okay, I'm going to line up my stamp right here in the middle. I am going to use the VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Okay, that looks really cool. Okay, so I'm going to color in the cup with some yellows. I have Y08 and Y11. And I would be very careful since I stamped with VersaFine Clair. This is not a Copic Safe ink, so I'm not going to touch the lines. I'm. Not going to do any fancy color in here, just add some color to the cup. Okay, we'll do some on the inside a little bit. There we go. I have ink on my hands, and of course I got ink on my panel. I seem to always do this, but you know what? I found that I can erase it with an eraser. So I'm just going to take this eraser, and it helps remove that, since it's not like a first generation stamp. I guess it's just like some residue. I don't know, this eraser erases it. I've gotten lucky a few times when this has happened. See, it came off. Okay, so I was thinking about putting a pink on the rim. So my Copic markers are drying up big time, guys. I need to order some refills. And I forgot about the handle. Okay, so now I was thinking about rising up my panel with foam tape. Since this is a very clean and simple card, I thought this would add some interest. So I'm gonna get my thick foam tape out. I have a giant roll. So this is perfect for this technique. And then I have this size. Okay, I have my wall of foam tape on my card. I used 3 different sizes. And now to put this on straight. Make sure it's facing the right way. Okay, there it is. Very nice. Now I'm going to share the Let's Call It Confetti mix at the end of the peaks on the last day. So I'm going to dress this up with the sequins on our last day. For right now, I'm going to add some glitter with this glitter brush to the cup. And I'm not going to touch the black lines in case it smears for any reason. Just a little sparkle. Okay, so that completes our second card. So I hope you guys enjoyed these sneak peeks. Come back tomorrow for day 2 of sneak peeks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.